お、生きとるやないですか。わあ、大変だこりゃ。これは大変だ。これは大変だ。動いてるの見た見えた。うわあ、大変だ。大変だこれは大変ですよ。こりゃ大変だよ。
イタリアと結んでオンライン社会科見学を実施となりました。
From the world of Italian food, let's learn about cheese together.
How can we know if a food is edible or not? We all have different cultures in the world, so today I'm going to talk about people who like to eat insects.
Sì, vi ho preparato due forme che sono attivissime.
Nel caseificio Nettis, nello storico caseificio Nettis,
Sì.
Topolino, di solito costa €1, €2, non costa.
Our GastroEdu Project aims to connect producers and consumers through education. Today, we could see from the look on the kids' faces that they were saying gross and yummy. So I realized how important it is to learn from actual people.
ウジ虫チーズは食べたいなとは思わなかったけど、チーズのことについていろいろなことが分かりました。
The kids got the message that in the world there is a food culture they can't even imagine. Some kids said they will never eat insects, but I hope they have learned that there are edible and inedible things in the world through their own eyes.
Wow! Kids can have fun and be wild easily. That's what kids do without any effort at all. There are curious things in the world and there might be things you hesitate to eat. I'm glad they now know that possibilities are endless in the world.
Unlike teacher-centered classes, today we created our learning environment together. The participants, the teachers from our university, and the people from Zoom Japan worked together to make this workshop a success. With the collaboration with Zoom Japan as a first step, we will continue trying new things.